Let's start with today's FDA panel meeting. Do you think getting children vaccinated will be a major turning point in the pandemic?
I think it will. I mean, the bottom line is children are vulnerable because they've not been eligible 5 to 11. I mean, children 12 and older, they've been getting their vaccinations. And we have to understand that children, they have a harder time sticking to wearing your mask and social distancing. And a good example would be a child that came in and his mom brought him in. She was so upset because he came home with a Superman mask on. And the mom revealed that he went to school with a Batman mask on. So that child had exchanged respiratory droplets with another child, and the mom was so upset. But children need that protection.
And also, the Moderna says its vaccine produced a, quote, powerful immune response in children 6 to 11 years old. But we do know that a lot of these, at least for Pfizer, the age category is 5 to 11. So would there be any reason why Moderna's vaccine would not be applicable to the 5-year-olds?
Well, it's just due to the research. Right now, Pfizer, they've been involved in a lot of research studies where they've been using the vaccine for these children, and they've got some really good results. And they're only using 1/3 the dose, that's 10 micrograms, and the children are developing very strong antibody responses according to the data and a high safety profile. So this is really going to be helpful because we healthcare providers, we want every tool possible to help our patients.
Also, what do we know about potential side effects in kids? I know that there was a concern about boys and young men with the Moderna vaccine specifically.
Right, and you're referring to the myocarditis or the inflammation of the heart. But what I want to note is with the studies that, as far as the data that's been revealed, there's been no incidences of someone developing myocarditis in the studies for children 5 to 11. And note that if a child contracts coronavirus, he has a higher chance of getting a much more severe case of myocarditis than the myocarditis that's been reported from individuals in the past that received the vaccine. So getting that vaccine is the safest route possible.
All right, Dr. Quinn, always thankful that you are joining us live. Thank you again for your insights. Still ahead.